Hey there, Tyler. Ultimately, I think you did a great job in your response video, um, in terms of kind of covering all of the big things. I think this was by far actually probably the most difficult video because we're asked to incorporate so much into such a short time frame. But as you had mentioned, how, um, the importance of kind of interconnecting all these different processes, such as glycolysis and the electron transport chain. So you focus on that too, and how ATP is created. And I know you mentioned, the pentose phosphate pathway, and how that ultimately serves a purpose in making some of the nucleotides. And now you focused on the UTP, the CTP, and the TTP, and ultimately kind of how that is important in forming those nucleotides, which again makes the DNA that we need, so vitally, and again, as those kind of three nucleotide bases that make amino acids, codes for protein, and brings about change within our bodies. And you covered kind of the rest of these structures, especially the inosine and how ultimately that kind of forms ATP. Also, the only other thing I might have mentioned would just be the cholesterol here, and how important cholesterol is for some of your processes, especially some of these kind of hormonal changes and some of these other kind of productive things.